Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we will go through how to test APK in Android Studio. Now if you just want to run the app to see how it works, use a running virtual device. So open the Android Studio and then launch the emulator from the device manager right here. As you can see, my is already running right here. Alright, what you need to do next is basically okay, firstly, you will need to wait that emulator fully boot to its home screen, something like this, as you can see on your on this screen right here. Now, what we are need to do is basically now just open computer's file explorer and find where we have this APK file. Okay, now we have it. Now what we need to do is just drag and drop APK file to our screen on emulator. As you can see, it's installing the app. We will need to wait a little bit, so emulator will automatically install the app in the background. So now what we need to do, we can scroll like that and find the app right here. So let's say, oh, right here. So if we click on it, now we can use it and yeah, test it if this APK file works. Now, if we want to basically debug the APK for deep analysis, what we can do, if we already opened the file like you see here on the emulator, now what we can do is go here at the top left corner under these top menus, and then under the file, select profile or debug APK. We will need to navigate to this file, and then what we are going to do is simply just when we find it, just click OK, and then you will be able to debug for deeper analysis. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next